Guess what was delivered to me today? The Festival of Lights Cricut mystery box. It's a reveal. In this video, I'm going to reveal and review the contents of the Festival of Lights mystery box from Cricut. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. I'm Vanessa S of By Vanessa S. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. You know how this goes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell so that you'll get notified when I release new videos, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build a community here and I want you to be a part of it. As we know, Cricut releases mystery boxes frequently, sometimes monthly, sometimes, and then every now and then they will re-release a mystery box. So if it was a popular mystery box or if they had some left over, which I don't know how they have some left over when they're always selling out. These things are just popular, they're hot, and they're selling out. So every now and then they will re-release a mystery box, and the Festival of Lights box is one of the re-releases. And so I was able to catch it. They re-released 3 mystery boxes and I was able to get this one. And so I'm actually kind of happy about that. So the mystery boxes, as you may or may not know, I'm just going to tell you, they are items that are put together to introduce you to products or even, help you to stock up or, create your stash or whatever it is you're going to do. They're supposed to provide value. Now, these things are about $60 a pop, which is pretty expensive. If you look at the contents of the box and look at whether or not it's worth it based on what's in the box, I guess that's what we're supposed to be looking at. Like, is it of value? And so that's what we're going to look at today. We're going to review this one. I'm going to reveal it, and then I'm going to review it. Okay? So my box was damaged. Look at my box. You see that? I hope it didn't. Now, I don't know what's in here. So I hope whatever it is in here, it didn't damage it. That would suck. But anyway, it wasn't open, so I'm having to open it for you. And I'm always excited about mystery boxes because I like receiving things that I don't know what they are. And so the reveal is always something that's exciting to me and I like doing it. So I decided and committed to doing whenever I can get a mystery box, meaning whenever they're not sold out, I'll get one because I just like doing them and I like doing these videos. So, okay, I've got this box open now. Let's see what's in it. So remember, we're looking for whether or not we're revealing what's in the box, but then we're going to look at whether or not the box was worth it. And then I'm going to rate it from 1 to 10. And I'm going to give you my review. Okay, let's do this. Okay, well, the theme of this one is called Festival of Lights. So when you think of Festival of Lights, you think of colors, right? Bright colors. And I can tell you that they did not disappoint. I'll start off with this one. So the first thing we have is this glow in the dark iron-on. It's a glow in the dark iron-on. So when you iron it onto something, it glows in the dark. Okay. I have not used this. I've seen it. I have not used it. I have not purchased it. So this is definitely a surprise. Okay. Then we have Sports Flex Iron-On All-Star Sampler. Whenever it's a sampler, it means it has more than one of something and it's in different colors. And as you can see, this one has red, black, and white. The Sports Flex Iron-On. I've never used it. I don't know what a Sports Flex Iron-On is. Like, does it stretch? Does it do something different than a regular iron-on? So I guess I get to find that out now. Then we have adhesive foil glossy metallic gold. I have used the adhesive foil. I do like it. I use adhesive foil mostly for things like cards. So I think this could be used, adhesive foil. I think this could probably be used on other items, maybe even clothing. I'm not sure. But adhesive foil glossy metallic gold. That's going to be an interesting one. Then we have premium vinyl removable tangerine, which is pretty cool because now I'm not, this color, this is supposed to be like a tangerine, but it looks more like a off color yellow to me. It doesn't really look tangerine, but it's a removable vinyl. I personally just started really using removable, and so I could see myself using this. The thing is the color. I'm not quite sure what I would use this for, but I'm thinking because of the color, this reminds me of fall, even though it's supposed to be a bright, color. But I can see pairing this with maybe a darker, like a maroon or a darker brown rust color, using it that way, and maybe using it for some type of fall decor. I'm looking at this plant, my flowers back here, and it kind of puts me in that same mind if I put something dark like that, put it together. Yeah. Okay, we'll see. The good thing about it is whatever I make, I'll make a video about it. Then we have, I'm excited about this one. We have premium vinyl removable glow in the dark. This is removable glow in the dark. Now this one was iron on glow in the dark, which means, it's permanent. But this one is removable glow in the dark. I can actually see using this for things like maybe to put around my light switches, or somewhere that I want to have a little bit more light or something showing. I could see this being of use. Removable glow in the dark. And because it's removable, I can change. Whatever I do. I don't have to be married to whatever I did, the project. Okay, so now we have a cosmetic bag. Which cosmetic bag, white blank, which is good for sublimation, it's good for sublimation, but it's also good for, this glow in the dark iron on. You can put that on here, or I'm pretty sure the Sports Flex, but anything could go in here. But this is the cosmetic bag. I've made a couple of these. I might actually make another one. I usually use them with sublimation, but I might make one with iron-on designs and make a video about it. Which means you need to ring the bell to be notified. Subscribe. Right? Yep. Okay, give me a thumbs up on this one. What else do we have in here? Oh. Ooh. Now, I love cardstock. And there is cardstock in here. Glitter cardstock. Black glitter cardstock. I always love cardstock because in the winter during the holidays, I like to make cards and I use cardstock. So this is good. Then we also have some glitter gel bright pens. It's a glitter gel bright pen set. Okay. Now I haven't used these either. Glitter gel bright pen set. And then of course, last but not least, you know what, I'm getting ready to bring out the box, don't you? Last but not least, the most important of them all, the cutie. He's yellow. He is True Yellow. That's his name. True Yellow Cutie. Yep. True Yellow Cutie. That's his name. See him? Okay. So just recap, what do we have? We have black glitter cross socks, glitter gel pens, right? Cosmetic bag, removable glow in the dark premium room, adhesive foil, glossy metallic gold, sports flex iron on all-star sampler, glow in the dark iron on, and removable premium vinyl tangerine. This is the Festival of Lights mystery box. Yep. And of course, don't forget him. Okay. Now, here's the question. Vanessa, is this box worth it? You know what I always say? The value for a mystery box is in whether or not the items in it can be used for some type of a project, for something. Can you use it? In this case, most of these products I have not used. I have not used the Sports Flex. I have not used the glow in the dark. I have not used the gel pens. So I have 3 items in here, at least 3, that I have not used. So this is going to be more of an exposure box for me. These are items I have not used. These are items that if I were in a store, I would not purchase. So is it of value to me? Yes, it is. This box was about $60, and there's roughly, if you look at the retail value of it, there's about $90 worth of items in here. So yes, is it worth it? For me, I would give this box, I like this box to be honest. Okay, I like this box. I would give this box a 9. I really would. And the only reason why I would give it a 9 and not a 10 is because nothing is perfect. I would, if I was going to give it a perfect 10, it would be because they gave me more cardstock. But it's a good box. It's an exposure box. It's exposing me to items that I have not used before. And being a crafter, it helps with my creativity because it helps me to expand my creativity to do things that I have not done before, right? Isn't that part of being creative? And so having items that I have never used before, having items that I know nothing about except for what I've read or seen, yes. So this box, yes, is of value to me. This box is a good box. I think I'm going to enjoy it. And I can't wait to show you what I make. So that's it for me. If I had to give this a rating, I would give it a 9 out of 10. This is a good box. This box is well worth the amount of money paid for it. I think it's a good box. So, okay, that's it for me. Until next time, remember, like, subscribe, ring the bell. And you know what? I want to hear from you. Write in the comments. Give me some feedback. I want to hear what's going on with you. If you got this box, show me in the comments what you've made or tell me what you've made. I want to see. And then, of course, always wait for the next video because there will be another video. I'm not going to tell you what it's about, but we're still in baby shower mode. Until next time, everyone, I'm Vanessa S.